Hi, Alethea here, and I'm going to walk you through some summer patterns. We have dresses, pants, shorts, and tops. Okay, so the first one I'm going to let you see is a top. Very vintage 1950s tops, S3152. They're all good for summer. Easy to sew pattern here, and it's rated, like I said, easy. You have 3 views to choose from. Very, very lovely. Love it. The second is easy to sew Simplicity 9679. This is a knit pattern. You have the sleeves, or it can be sleeveless. These are good patterns to use for your summer wardrobe. Okay, now the next one is Simplicity 8645. This is a 1950s vintage. I made view A. And this pattern doesn't have a rating on it, but you have to use boning with this if you're familiar with that. Look at all that. This came out nice. I made it in black and white fabric, polka dot. So the next are bottoms. Simplicity 3137. You have shorts and you have 2 options with 3 options, A, B, and C. Let's see what the notions are for this pattern. They're calling for a 9-inch invisible zipper. And I don't see any buttons. So you don't have buttons, but you have a zipper. The next bottom shorts are McCall's 8221. It's a learn to sew. Easy. It's they're calling for notions 1-inch elastic, no buttons and no zips. Here is the line art. I think they're all nice. It says it's rated very easy to sew, 5 pieces. This is a level learn to sew, and the sizes are large to 2XL. Another pattern here is M8511. These are bottoms. Here is your line art. You have 3 choices. These are wide legs, and it's rated average. And there's a zipper and a button hole to make. Very nice. That's McCall's 8511. So the next pants or bottom set is McCall's 8588. You have 2 choices to choose from, and it's a unisex pattern. Here is the line art, and it's rated average. What are the notions are elastic, and I believe, yes, you have a button. So it's an elastic waist with a button, and I believe it's a zipper too. Yes, 7-inch zipper, elastic, and a button. They look nice. I'm seeing linen here. So that's again 85, McCall's 8588. The sizes are extra small to 2XL. The next bottom and top is a Know Me 2014. And you have 3 views to choose from. It's rated average. the notion here, the line art here. And the notions are, let's see, it has some boning in it, a separating zipper, 2 zippers for the top and the skirt, and a button. And the button is for the shorts. As you can see here, 2 separating zippers and the button for the shorts. So that's A, B, and C choices. Again, that's Know Me 2014. These are really, really great for your summer wardrobe. So here are the dresses. McCall's 8449. You have 3 options here. I like this option. It's rated average. Your line art here. Mrs. Dress and Sash. Notions are 2 buttons. You need 2 buttonholes and 2 buttons for B, and 5 buttons for C. And A doesn't have buttons. B has 2. Okay, again, that's M8449. Sizes are, on this pattern, 18 to 26. McCall's 8506. Nice breezy dress. It's rated easy. Here is your line art, and the notions are single folded bias tape. You have 3 choices, A, B, and C. Again, McCall's 8506. The next dress is McCall 7719. Look at these. You have all these choices to choose from. 8 choices. No. 4 choices. These are the bags. That's nice. So let's see, where are the notions? I don't see. And it's called Mrs. Dresses, and it's rated easy. I like the off the shoulder one. This one is nice too. Really nice, I like that. Again, that's McCall 7719. Line art. The next one and the last one is McCall's 8213. You have 3 choices. It's rated very easy. Very easy. Here's the line drawings. I'm looking for the notions. Just elastic for this dress. So it's a very easy pattern. Nice summery slip-on dress. Again, that's McCall's 8213. So these are some nice patterns, easy to average, zippers and no zippers, some with buttons and no buttons, unisex. I learned to sew. Simplicity Vintage. And an easy to sew top, sleeveless. Tell me which one, if any of these, you would like to sew, or which one is your favorite in the comments. Thank you for watching. Sweet inspirations to all, and shout out to all the new subscribers, and welcome to the family, and as well to those who's been rolling with me for a while. I appreciate you all. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.